Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, we have another Dooney and Bourke unboxing. So, let's find out what's inside and cut the tape, y'all. Let's cut the tape. Let's cut the tape, y'all. Let's cut the tape. Okay. So I see that it is extra wrapped, and this is the taupe Miller satchel, 1 of 1, July 29th, 2024 is the ship or date for it. I don't think I have a sticker or anything in there. So let's unwrap it and take a look at it. I don't think I'll need scissors. It opened pretty easily. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. I enjoy reading the comments. And welcome to my new viewers and subscribers as well. And if you are not subscribed and you believe that you would want to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time that I upload a video. And y'all be sure to check out my community post, because you will also get heads up about any sales that I'm able to catch, or any new add-ons to any websites, colors, all of that, y'all. So keep an eye out for that on my community post here on YouTube. Okay, y'all, so this is a classic bag. It says Miller satchel, excuse me, but I believe it's from the Claremont, or it's called the Claremont Miller satchel, because that's what it was referred to online when I saw it pop up on there. And I believe the oldest video that I saw maybe was about 7 years ago. It was at least 4 to 7 years ago. So just to give you a look at the satchel overall before I look inside. The leather, to me, it feels like Saffiano leather. It does have 5 feet. So I guess this was one that they found in hiding and decided to add it to the I Love Dooney website. It did say 1 of 1 on the label, so this one did after I ordered it. Shortly after, I think it took maybe an hour or so for it to update. Then it disappeared. If not a couple hours. It didn't. I know after I ordered, unless it was some more that somebody else ordered. It stayed up for a few hours, and then after that, it disappeared. So leather looks good. I did see it has snap sides here, which is cute, to make it more of a boxy satchel if I want. And I see a difference with the interior versus the older version of this bag. The older version had the chevron multi look as the lining. If you all recall my chevron drawstring bag, that same print, it's a very pretty pink, yellow, blue, green, all of that in the chevron print. That's what used to be inside of the interior of this bag. So I see that it still has like the fuchsia or hot pink colored trim around the top, but instead of the chevron lining, it has red lining in this particular one. So I wonder if that's something that they maybe just changed because of how long ago that particular interior was, or if this is just a one-off. So but as you see, it did have the snap on the side, so you can snap it and unsnap it to widen the bag out. It has the little latch that comes here across the top with the turn lock to secure the latch and keep the bag closed. The Dooney and Bourke label here in the pink trim inside. Sticker, registration card, slip pocket. 2 slip pockets here, one bigger than the other. The key leash. The key leash also has the hot pink trim on it as well. This one does have the Dooney and Bourke label here on the side under the key leash. And also you have additional storage here with the zipper compartments. And it goes about halfway down the side of the bag. And then the same on this side. So I think this is a very uniquely made bag to have those zipper compartments there. But everything's secure. Once this latch comes across there, you can't get in the zippers or inside of the bag. If you did decide to just carry it open, you could do that as well. And I just noticed with this bag, it does not have Dooney and Bourke anywhere on the outside. It doesn't have a plate or patch. It's not written on the hardware or anything like that. So it's just a silhouette only. And the interior that tells you that it's Dooney and Bourke. Unless you know what the actual Claremont satchel looks like, then just from looking at it on the outside, then you know that it's Dooney and Bourke. But yeah, I just noticed that. So I think they should have at least put a charm or something with it, but I will have no problem adding a little charm to the side or looping it inside of the buckle or somewhere to hang a charm on here. But this color is like a, it says it's taupe, but to me, this color looks more gray. Like a smoky Saffiano color is what it looks like to me. So you all, let me know if you all like this classic, if you remember it from many, many years ago. If you've seen it before. I don't remember what other colors it came in either. Yeah, I want to say anytime I looked it up, I think it only came in this color. It could have been a navy, but I'm not 100% sure. And if it was navy, it still had the same color trim as this one. But the handle drop, it is adjustable to where I can lengthen it or shorten it. I don't know how hard it's going to be to get it with this plastic on here. Because if I extend the straps, I believe I can carry it as a shoulder bag also. But they got this taped on here and double. I think it's like, oh, that's what was keeping it on there, where I couldn't get to the buckle itself. But yeah, I'm wondering why they didn't just put like Dooney and Bourke right here. I think that would have been like, even just the words, the gold block letters of Dooney and Bourke here at the bottom. I think that would have been a very pretty touch to it. It wouldn't have taken away from the bag at all, and it would have complemented the turn lock as well. I did not notice that before. So you all, let me know what you think. Would that bother you or not with the it not saying Dooney and Bourke anywhere on the outside? because I did not realize that when I saw the satchel. I have to go back and look at the picture to see if the picture online also doesn't have any Dooney and Bourke on the outside, and also if the ones that I saw in the older videos on YouTube, if it had a picture or not. Something to think about, y'all. I definitely like this side here, this feature. But I will see you all. I look forward to seeing you all's comments. Let me know what you think about this classic. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. Like I said, I really do appreciate you all. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.